Pupunta ka ba ng Seoul? If yes, this video is for you. Today guys is October 21, 2025 and the weather today is 7 degrees Celsius. But wait, it can go down to as low as 4 degrees Celsius tonight. Wow! Winter weather in an autumn season. Guys, I've been receiving a lot of questions. If nag-snow daw ba sa Seoul ngayon? The answer is no. Kitang-kita nyo naman po sa likod ko, di ba wala pang snow? Again, I would like to reiterate, hindi pa po nag-snow sa Seoul ngayon. But however, if you're coming to Seoul today or this week, please be prepared as the weather agency said that the weather is not what it actually feels like due to the strong winds. Ang lakas ng hangin guys, kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin, so sobrang lamig niya. Imagine nyo guys, para tayo siya sampal ng yelo. Ganong level. So kung ayaw nyo masampal ng yelo guys, magbaon kayo ng jacket, makapal ng mga puffer jacket, mga trench coat, ganon. Okay? Again, if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll try to answer all of them. See you in Seoul!